So this is Godown wiring. So you can see this is first switch, first lamp, second switch, second lamp, then third switch, third lamp, and then fourth switch, fourth lamp. Then while returning back, so reverse is the operation. So in this way Godown wiring is done. So now this is pallet wiring connection. So this is S1 switch for pallet wiring L1. So you can see the pallet wiring is on, then S2 switch, then S3 switch. So in this way the reverse operation is there. So in this way whole operation pilot L1 wire L1 lamp is on, and in this way pilot wiring is done. So now these are the connections of Jeena wiring. So this is the first switch S1, it is on, then S2 will be off, then while coming returning back S2 will be off and then return here. So in this way Jeena wiring is completed. So this is hospital wiring, where you can see this is series connection so that the lights are dim, and then this is bright, which is with the help of parallel connection. So in this way dim and bright light is required for hospital wiring. So you can see master control wiring. So S4 is the master switch. So you can see here. So now I will use this master switch so that all the lamps will be off. So in this way master control wiring is done. So this is tunnel wiring. So you can see while returning in the tunnel, you can see. So in tunnel wiring, so this is the first switch, first lamp, second switch, second lamp, then third switch, third lamp, fourth switch off. So once again we will see this is first lamp, then second switch for second lamp, and third and fourth. So you can see the various operations. So last one is off, so that you can come out from the tunnels. If I switch middle one or like this, any switches from the inside, so you can see series parallel. So phase and neutral are short circuited in the two-way switch, so we cannot press in between so that all the lamps are on. So you have to follow the sequence. Thank you very much.